In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a journal on Xero. Navigating through your accounting software can sometimes feel like a maze, especially when you're trying to perform specific tasks like deleting a journal. Whether it's an entry made by mistake or simply a record that no longer needs to exist in your books, Xero makes this process straightforward. Let's walk through the steps to do this efficiently and correctly. First things first, we need to get into Xero. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll spot the login button in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the next crucial step in our process. Upon clicking the login button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. It's important to ensure you're entering the details associated with your Xero account to avoid any login issues. Fill in your credentials carefully. After your details are in, go ahead and click the login button. This should usher you into the dashboard of your Xero account, bringing us one step closer to accomplishing our goal today. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the section where journals reside. You'll want to head over to the Accounting tab. If you're not immediately sure where that is, no worries, just look for a tab labelled Accounting. This is usually found at the top of your navigation bar once you're logged into Xero. Once in the Accounting tab, your next click should be on Manual Journals. This section is where all your manual journal entries are stored. Think of it as a library of all the adjustments and records you've manually entered into Xero over time. In the Manual Journals area, take a moment to locate the specific journal entry you wish to delete. It might help to have the date, reference number, or description of the journal entry at hand to help you search faster. Once you've found the journal in question, we're ready for the next step. This is where the actual deletion process begins, but here's a small twist. Instead of simply hitting a delete button, we're going to void the journal. On the journal entry that you want to remove, look for the void option. This effectively nullifies the journal entry, but keeps a record of it in your system for future reference or audit purposes. It's a safer alternative to outright deletion, ensuring that you maintain a clear historical record of your accounts. After clicking void, a confirmation dialog will pop up. This is just Xero's way of asking, are you sure you want to void this journal entry? It's a good moment to pause and double check that this is indeed the journal entry you want to void. If everything checks out, go ahead and click OK. Congratulations, you've successfully voided a journal in Xero. The process is complete and the journal entry will no longer affect your accounts in any way. It's worth noting that while the entry is voided, you can still go back and view it if need be, adding an extra layer of transparency and security to your accounting practices. A few parting tips as we wrap up this tutorial. Always double check the journal entries before voiding them, as this action, while reversible, can affect your accounting records. If you're ever in doubt about voiding a journal entry, it might be a good idea to consult with a professional or reach out to Xero's support team for guidance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to delete, or more accurately void, a journal entry in Xero. With this knowledge, you can ensure that your accounting records remain accurate and up to date, all while maintaining a clear audit trail. Remember, effective accounting is not just about keeping records, it's also about knowing how to manage and adjust them as your business grows and evolves. Thank you for joining me in today's video tutorial. Whether you're tidying up your books or correcting a mere oversight, I hope this walkthrough has empowered you to manage your journal entries in Xero with confidence. Happy accounting and see you in our next video.